right, yes, previously I've been teaching you how to do the short quick pixel wave, and yes, we have learned a lot. I've tried to make sure that I bring different types of these short pieces. Even others have been adding the crochet on top of them so that they look different from the ones that we have been doing. So in all these, they had different names, the way you can see this one, but mostly people liked the brush piece, and it's what we're going to see in this video. So I just wanted you to see these that we did previously on my uploads, so that you can also go and watch them. Then you combined with this one, trust me, you will know how to trim a short piece. And I've been teaching most of you guys on how, and on the short those ones with short foreheads, the long foreheads, how we can always trim their short pieces. So please, I'm going to add all these links for these videos so that you can go watch them. Try to listen very well, because most of the times there are those questions that you always ask, yet I've already answered them in the video, or maybe I talked about them in the video. So please, I just want you to give it time, listen to them very careful, so that they can help you to learn how to trim a short quick wave. So this time around, we're going to see this one, and it is different. Alright, yes, with a quick one. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Yes, and I would like you to make sure that you give me a like, or click on that red button, ring the bell if it's your first time to be on this channel, because on this channel we always upload different types of hairstyle, and we do this every week. I make sure that in a week we have to upload a video of different types of hairstyle, so that we keep on learning. And then I promise those ones who joined my membership that I'm going to be doing the live videos for them according to the hairstyle they will be asking to learn. Yes, once I know it, I will have to make sure that I show it to them when live. So that is how those ones in my membership are going to get that. So now let's try to look at the short piece. And on this one, I've been teaching in most of my videos, I've been teaching you guys that let's try to learn how to do this inside cornrow. According to my experience, I realized that the inside cornrow lasts longer than these other cornrows. So please, we should learn how to do this. And those ones who want to do the online classes, you can go on my website, that is www.mauricethecrochetmaster.com, so that you can see how to learn the inside cornrow. This is a very, very nice cornrow in that it can stay it stays longer than these other cornrows that we already do, according to my experience. So now let's try to see how do we do the short piece. So the short piece, we have to make sure that the cornrow are made round, but some people have been doing it badly. You find that their cornrows are very big. Yes, they make the cornrows round but very big. So please try to reduce on the size. At least you make them not very big, in that when you iron the piece, it is not it doesn't create those humps. Yes, so that's why the cornrows, when they are very big, when you add the piece, it creates the humps. You find someone cannot comb the short piece. So those are the only thing that I can talk about when it comes to the cornrow that you guys always do. So we always have to make sure that we do it circle. And please, there is something that I've realized, that when it comes here on the center, you don't need to make it too tight, because yeah, that those people always feel some pain here. But I realized that when you feel pain, please try to talk. Yeah, tell your stylist, so that if there is something like to extend to loosen it a bit, she or he can do that, because that pain cannot stop. So please, yes. And mostly it goes to those some of us who don't use the bond, yeah, while doing this short piece. For us, we always use the sewing. So make sure that you tell your stylist not to make it too tight when it comes to the center where the cornrow ends from. So as we start doing as we start sewing, this is very simple, and I've been telling you guys that this you sew according to how you're going to trim your short piece. One, what you need to understand is that there's different types of the head shape. There's those people with a corner, and those ones who don't have it, when you find that the head is too flat behind. So those ones, you just have to add it as you're adding on. Like maybe let's say you came from down doing the 2 layers, so when you reach at the corner, you make sure that you do like 4 to 5, so that you create that corner. Those people have that their heads that already that are flat behind, so you just have to create that corner for them on the short pieces. So another thing is this center always fails some people. They don't know how to do this center also, but it's just, you just have to be patient enough. Try to roll your weave until it reaches on that extent. Then now, when it comes to trimming, me, I always want to start from behind. Yeah, so that because when I start from behind, it always gives me the good shape on the short piece that I'm going to do. And this, we call it a brush, because it is somehow flat. Yes, and I would like to advise you guys always do the short pieces for the first time. It is very hard. It might be very hard for you to comb it. Mostly those ones who always love it, like on top, to be big. So yes, you need to start like with these ones, in that at least when you come knowing how to comb it, then you can start so then you can start doing the other ones. When you find like on top, on the side that it is flat, then on top it is very big. You understand? So that is my advice for those ones who are trying to start a short piece, because most people fear short pieces, that sometimes they come out badly. But I believe there are times when you can come from the salon when it is perfect, and reaching home it becomes a war. It is just because of the way you comb it. So sometimes I always try to advise my clients, because there are those ones who come with the styles that are very, very difficult to comb, and then I advise them in that we follow these stages. As we're getting used on how to comb it, it becomes very easy for us. So those are the things that I can talk about the short pieces. And please, if you have any question that you would need to ask me, please just go right in my comment section. Tell me what you'd want to know about these short pieces. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and this time around I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me. And please, may God keep blessing you. Don't forget to like. Yes, I love it when you like, and if possible you can share the video, so that we keep the love moving. Yes, I'm gonna be signing out, but I wish you see the final touch. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time.